How to use Android phone as speaker for PC. Hello everyone, let's get started. Today we will be using our Android phone using our application as speaker for your PC. Firstly, you must be able to download Audio Relay on your device or PC. For that, go to audiorelay.net, and by this, with Audio Relay, you can stream your PC speaker. Tap on the download button and you can download it for Windows, Linux or Mac OS. Once you have tapped on the download button and it has been downloaded, tap on it. Click on the Yes button, select the language of your choice, select on all the options of your requirements, click on Next and finally install it. In few seconds, you will notice that the application will be installed on your PC. In the meanwhile, you should also be able to download the Audio Relay on your Android. Once Audio Relay is present on both of your PC and Android, here are the further steps. First of all, make sure that both of your PC and Android is connected to the same Wi-Fi connections. Now to set up a connection between your PC and your Android, you must give this IP address of the laptop or PC to your Android. Once that is done, you should also select the virtual speaker. After this, you will see that the connection has been established and you can use your phone as a speaker now. That's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.